Friends, I have never used a computer in my life. However, I know what computers and information technology in general are doing to change the life around us. They are revolutionizing every facet of our national and even planetary life. IT is changing the way we work, do business, learn, teach, travel, communicate, entertain ourselves, and even the way we run governments and democracies. The amazing change we have already seen in this area are nothing compared with what is in the offing in the coming years and decades. The internet, for example, does not just connect computers, it connects nations, economies, cultures, communities, and hundreds of millions of unique individuals on a single platform. It is truly laying the basis for a new phase of progress of human civilization. Can India, which is the cradle of civilization, lag behind in this march of IT? No, for us in India, information technology does not have only an economic significance. It is a civilizational necessity for us because it is going to re-establish India as a materially prosperous and culturally resurgent nation in the coming centuries. Hence, I would like all my countrymen to know that IT is India's tomorrow. It is this vision which has made my government put information technology high on our list of priorities. The work done by the National Task Force on Information Technology and Software Development is well known to this audience. For the first time in India, an interministerial and interdepartmental mechanisms at the highest level with active participation from the IT industry has been created to advise the government on all IT related matters. The first report of the task force, whose focus is on software development, is presently under implementation. If there are grievances about the speed and nature of implementation, please let us know. I assure you that we will set them right. The second report aimed at making India a major IT hardware manufacturing center is ready. The government will adopt the same fast-track approach of its examination and adoption as was done in the case of the first report. The government recognizes that creation of a nationwide high bandwidth telecom infrastructure is crucial for all that we want to achieve in the field of information technology. As I announced only last week, we have already taken a number of bold and time bound initiatives in this direction. Work has begun on the formulation of a new nation telecom policy which addresses the challenges of as well as the tremendous opportunities in the convergence between telecom, IT, media and consumer electronics now.